It's just a quickie for you here. If you've gone to the trouble of painting your calipers, you're probably not going to want to scratch them to bits when you put the wheels back on, and these corners will usually suffer, especially if you're wrestling with a big heavy wheel. So you want to get yourself one of these. They're available in all sorts of different sizes, but basically it's just a threaded bar that goes into the slot where the wheel bolt is going to attach. Don't push it too far, you need to go crazy with them. And then when you present the wheel, we can slide that on nice and easily, famous last words, and line the wheel up without having to wrestle with the weight of the thing. Really, really handy. So once that's in place, I can then drop a couple of nuts in, well, bolts in this case. Of course, this only works with European cars that have a bolt, as opposed to the threads that go on the US type. You don't need those because you've got 5 of these already fitted. Makes a lot more sense to my mind, but that's it. And once we've got a couple of these locating nuts in, just even finger tight, I tend not to use an impact driver on nicely painted alloys. That's now nice and tight. And just take this out. Not expensive, available all day long from the likes of Amazon. Worth the weight in gold. Going to save you a lot of money on dealing with either having to constantly repaint your calipers, or if you've got them professionally done, getting them touched up. And that'll save your alloys at the same time because you won't be scratching the insides. All good, that's it. Super simple little tool tip for you. Highly recommended. If that's been useful to you, click the like button. I'll see you next time. Take it easy, guys.